Looking for a pressure washer that can handle tough outdoor cleaning jobs? Look no further than the DK2 OPW480EV lithium-ion powered pressure washer. With its advanced battery technology and EV motor, this pressure washer packs the power you need to blast away dirt, grime, and even stubborn stains. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is the combination of the pump and the EV motor, which gives you reliable performance, no gas, no oil, and carefree storage while creating a flow rate of 2.4 gallons per minute and a maximum pressure of 2,200 PSI. Combined with the metal lance, gun, and 5 spray nozzles, this pressure washer can handle a wide range of cleaning applications. With its 25-foot pressure hose, you can reach even the most hard-to-reach areas with ease. But the DK2 OPW480EV isn't just powerful, it's also designed for easy mobility and convenience. The never flat tires and comfortable padded handle make it easy to move around your cleaning area, while the pressure hose rack and spray nozzle storage slots keep everything you need within easy reach. Powered by our EV motor and combined with the 57.6 volt lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 30% more torque, supplying reliable, eco-friendly power that yields zero harmful emissions. And with a 120 volt DC 200 watt charger, your machine is always ready to use when you need it. Plus, with its 1-year limited DK2 warranty, you have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in quality and performance. At DK2, we're committed to delivering high-performance equipment that meets the needs of hardworking homeowners. So if you're looking for a pressure washer that can deliver the power and convenience you need for your outdoor cleaning tasks, look no further than the DK2 OPW480EV pressure washer. Forge your own path with DK2.